What is intellectual property law and IP law?
Intellectual property law, short form is IP law, basically comprises of trademarks, patents, copyrights, designs, geographical indications, and then there are a few more aspects as well. Well, all of this together comprises intellectual property rights, and the law that deals with them is IP law. Been very important for the last 200 years. This is all about an aspect of law which deals with commercialization. A lot of people are very smart. I meet them in this university all the time. They are engineers and scientists, but they don't have that entrepreneurship capability to take their inventions to the next level. Choices: you can either be in a laboratory all the time just working for others, or you could turn your inventions and innovations and all the fruits of your research and development into something tangible. Now, of course, IP law deals with intangible IP, but what I meant is commercialization is possible only if you have a patent or a trademark or a copyright. And this takes you to the next level, which is how to make money from your inventions. And this is something which not very commonly seen in many universities. Maybe in the US you have Stanford and Cambridge, and they all do all very well. A lot of other universities in Europe and the rest of the world just don't know how to turn all this knowledge and innovation that they're sitting on, this mountain of inventions and everything, how to turn it into money. And if you want to commercialize something, then IP law is the key.
How today's innovations affect property law?
Well, a lot of things have been happening, especially in the digital context. Huge things. In the last 10, 15 years, we have seen with Facebook and Google and YouTube. And that means is that a lot of things are now happening online and in the digital world. And this has brought its own challenges in a very unique way. Now, for example, here, you could have a little YouTube channel, for example. You're doing an interview, and then, of course, if it's successful with the channel, then you can monetize the channel. And this is a new avenue for reaching out to the public all across the world and sharing and exchanging ideas. But also this medium means it is very easy to upload videos, download videos anywhere in the world. And this brings up the question of copyright ownership. So if you are uploading a song that belongs to somebody else, or this interview which has been done by you is now uploaded by somebody else and they claim it is their interview. Now you see this affects monetization. And then what are your rights? Who do you complain to? Do you complain to YouTube? Do you complain to the court? And these are huge issues. And of course, what's happening is the whole scope and potential of the digital world. Now, digital arena has gone to the metaverse, and we are talking about all fancy things. NFTs have an impact on cryptocurrencies. All of this is so interrelated. And so that's one key innovation area to watch out for the next coming years. Digital developments are already having a big impact. So we are seeing the Digital Markets Act, the Digital Services Act in the European Union, and even in the US, where they have been very liberal, there are already a lot of talks of doing a lot of regulations in this regard. In Asia, South America, in African countries, everywhere. Digital is the next big, not the next big, but already is the biggest game changer right now. And innovation is also affecting how we perceive intellectual property law and our understanding of ownership in the digital world.